A common operation in programming is building a list through iteration. This example uses a for loop to create a list of squared numbers. Python offers a more concise way to do this through list comprehensions. First, we need to identify the expression that we want to apply for each item in an iterable. We then add the result of the expression to the array. We can do this in one line by enclosing the expression, item, and iterable in square brackets. The syntax is called list comprehension. List comprehension makes building arrays through iteration more concise. This technique is powerful for transforming or filtering sequences. List comprehensions can also handle conditional statements. This condition only adds an element to the array if x mod 2 is equal to 0. Same as before, we have the expression, item, and iterable. At the end of the statement, we add the conditional. We can then enclose this in square brackets and assign a variable to this statement. These statements are now equivalent. If you learned something, consider following me on these platforms for more content.